Hello everyone! Today I'm sharing a delicious chicken curry recipe that I learned from my wife. She taught me this dish and it's now one of our family favorites. You can see all the ingredients plus the cooking oil of your choice. First, I'll heat up the wok with cooking oil. Next, I'll add the garlic, saute for a minute. Then I add onions and saute them till translucent. Chicken curry is believed to have originated in India, where it has been a popular dish for centuries. Different regions of India have their own distinct styles of chicken curry. For example, North Indian curries tend to be richer and creamier, while South Indian curries are often spicier and more fragrant. Meanwhile, as you could see, I already added ginger and chicken drumsticks. I will stir everything for a couple minutes and then cover with the lid, and I will cook everything for another 10-15 minutes. And make sure, friends, that the heat is not too high. Once the chicken is half cooked, I'll add the salt, black pepper, curry powder and coconut milk. Coconut milk is a great way to add a creamy flavor to your curry. After stirring it well, I will cover the wok and let it simmer for about 20 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce has thickened. I'll rinse the bowl with the leftover coconut milk and add the water to the curry. I'm adding the chicken bouillon cube to boost the flavor. You can do it, by the way, anytime. I'm stirring it well and adding the potatoes. I will cook potatoes another 10 minutes or until they are tender. Finally, I'll add the red bell peppers and simmer for a few more minutes to allow them to soften. After that, I'll add the cayenne peppers to the wok and cook for a couple more minutes or until the desired level of spice is reached. This will add a bit of extra heat to your chicken curry. I'm also adding a fish sauce for extra flavor. Stirring, and the last 10-15 minutes don't cover it with lid. We want the sauce to thicken. We made it! Look at that beauty! Delicious chicken curry. What do you think? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Bye!